Esa Peña! Hello people and welcome to a new video. This time is the first video I do in English for my channel, and mainly is because I did some features, like I did a new Excel to calculate the parameters and stuff. I also did like a new analysis system, and I know that, well, I don't have a lot, but I have few followers that they see me in with the transcription in English. So I hope you understand this video, at least because I know my accent is a bit strong and everything. But I live in Czech Republic. I've been living there for 4 years already, and English is my everyday language. To be honest, I live with my Czech girlfriend, so we speak. I don't speak Czech, well, a bit, and she doesn't speak Spanish, so we speak Czech, or say English every day. But yeah, I wanted to do this video because I know, yeah, I don't have a lot of followers. I have some followers that are non-Spanish speakers, and to be honest, I wanted to thank all of you because I think it's pretty impressive for me, and it makes me feel very proud and lucky. And I don't know, like that even though I do the videos in Spanish and I speak in Spanish and I do everything in Spanish, I have still some English followers that do the effort of wanting to see my content just because of the transcriptions and these captions that they translate automatically my voice to English. I tried them, I have watched them, and it's true that some of them are pretty good. They are good, but sometimes it's not really accurate. And I know if there is something that you don't understand, guys, don't hesitate to ask me, to contact me by Discord or whatever, and ask me in English. It's okay. I don't have any problem with it, and I will try to help you because I know that sometimes it's not very accurate and stuff. So what I did is a new Excel to calculate the parameters. So I will tell you what you can do. I mean, it's true that you can just use the translation and everything, but just in case, well, this is the first page that has all my links to the stuff and everything. To the Instagram of Mato is the guy who helped me do it. Is a crazy guy. Like his work is amazing. And then you have like the parameters to calculate everything. I mean, regate will be dribble. It's in the same order as in the game. Like regate is dribble, then you have remate is like shoot. Then I put like down. Bajo will be like down shoot. It will be like the volley. Remate alto will be like header. And then you have the pared is like to do the 1-2. Then pass is pass. Entrada is tackle. Bloqueo is block. Then you have like the low and the high one. Bajo and alto. And then you have interception is interception, is the same thing. Rapidez is speed. You know that it goes with the dribble and the tackle. Potencia is power. It goes with the shoot and the block. I hope I don't do any mistakes now because I usually play in Spanish, but I know more or less in English. And then you have the technique that it will be with pass and interception. And then you have the energy. There is nothing. It's the same thing. So I don't think you will have, guys, problems with that, with the translation and stuff. If you want to use it anyhow, it's the same as the one of Rockfrog. You know that I know that mostly of you have seen them in my videos and stuff, the analysis, so you can use them anyway in the same way. And you have also balón bajo will be like low ball, and balón alto will be like high ball. You know that in the game we have like this low ball and high ball, the different values. So it's true that here I didn't put it's in Spanish. I don't know, maybe I will try to translate it to English, or you can just translate it, but N, you just here, you will change it by writing it. You can put N, that it will be like normal ball. If it has good ball is bueno in Spanish, I think maybe you know. And if it's very good, it's muy bueno. So you have to write MB. And with that, you will change all the values of the stuff to very good or normal. It's the same thing. Then you have the team skill, which is in English, the bond, which is in English also. Then you have the formation effect, where you can change the physics, that is physical, and then the power is potencia. Usually because now everybody's playing with this one that gives you 12% more or physics and 8% more power, but the rest is the same. Here you don't have to change anything. You have to change the stuff in yellow, only these ones, if you want to change something. Also this box that I will explain to you now, and the values here, also the momentum, you can change that. The rest is the same. So here you will have like the stats. It's not the stats in game because I didn't apply the passives, because you know that if there is like a passive of stats, is different formula than a passive of momentum. Let's say momentum is the power of the techniques. So what you have to do is here you have passive, that will be passive, and you can change from M will be to momentum, or you can write S that will be to stats, and then it will change everything. It's different. Then here you have the latente will be hidden ability. So here you can apply all the hidden abilities you want of stats, and then of momentum. Of course, if the player has like I don't know. Against Latin Americans, +5, and then also against club, +5. So you put a +10 in stats. If you have like one of stats and one of momentum, you can put both at the same time also. And you can also put inspirations, depending inspires on starts and in momentum, the both things. So you can change everything, and you will have here everything. This will be for a player. I did the same thing for the keeper. You have the same. Punch is, well, it says there, punch, then high punch and low punch. Then you have blockage is safe. You have high save and low save, and then you have speed, power, technique, and energy. It's the same thing. You have also the B or MB, muy bueno, bueno, or you can put normal, normal, whatever, you can just change it. Here, well, you can put the team skill, bond. As I explained in the Spanish video, I do the bond with 144 like Frog does, because I think a lot of people do with lower bond. I don't think it's accurate. Nowadays, I think there is like people with 120 at least, because you have like the bond of the before the game, the formations, where you can put like apply, I don't know, 80. I have like been kind of free to play with the bonds myself. Just with the event players and the new reworks and stuff, you can get easily an 86. And then if you have another extra 30 something of bond, you can get easily a team of, I don't know, 112, 120 bond, something like that. Then 144 will be if you have a perfect team and you have everything, but I have seen teams with that, so I don't think it's so difficult. And again, the formation, you can change it. And again, the passives, you can put S or M, stats momentum, change the value, change the value, change the value, and here everything will change. It's the same thing. Here I put the explanations in Spanish, well, you could change it, but here I think it's okay. It's not so difficult. The order, you just remember, because the order is the same as in the game. Here maybe I put the wall and the pass, but you will see that is the same thing, and you will have the calculus. The calculation will be accurate. What else? I did a comparison table also with 3 players, so you can do 3 players at the same time and put to each other, let's say the same or different characteristics or situations, like with a different bond. For example, you can check the same player but with different board or different team skill to see if, like, maybe, I don't know, this player can play. How is Hyuga in the Japanese team? How is Hyuga in the clubs team? You can change, for example, and to compare between them. You will have the same thing as in the other one. Regate is dribble, remate, remate bajo, remate alto is like shoot, low shoot, high shoot, you know, the volley or header. Then you have the wall, the 1-2, no wall. Wall is in Spanish, but it's because it's the same thing. And then you have pass, you have tackle, block, low block, high block, interception, the same stuff. Maybe for the people it's gonna be easier to understand me with the captions and the translation with my normal voice because of the accent, but I hope you survive, guys. And then you have the keeper against keeper, is the same thing as the other one, keeper against keeper. So, well, I don't know, I was gonna say if there was something to explain, but I think it's self-explaining. That's the same thing, you have like until 3 keepers, and then I did 1 player against 2 keepers, like to see if I will maybe put more, because you know now there is 4 meta types. There is the clubs, there is the Asian, there is the Latin Americans, and there is the Europeans. So it will be nice to like see one striker like against all the metas, and also like the same thing I did. Well, here you will see here, like, yeah, you have the shooting. I did only with shooting. Here I don't need to check the defense with a keeper. Doesn't make sense. So I have the shooting. With the punch and the block. I have to do a script or try to improve here that it takes the best value between punch and block or save, sorry, and that it just displays 1 because I'm displaying everything, so maybe it's too much, but it's okay. And then I have also keepers. Well, 1 keeper against 2 players. So the other one was 1 keeper against more, 1 player against more keeper. This is 1 keeper against more players. Like, if you want to change also, yeah, you have there to see how is the punch against the other shoots, is the punch against the ball, high balls, is punch against low balls, save against the shoot in the ground, shoot against, o sea, save against high shoots, the headers and volleys. You know, is the thing. So you can just here, and also you can change for everybody here again and the same thing. So I hope you like that. I try to do it my best. I did it in Spanish because it was easier for me. If I have time, I can just translate everything. I think you can like copy paste everything and translate everything. I don't know if it will be totally accurate, but mostly could be. And then I did this new analysis here, like Rockfrog does. So I did the same again in Spanish. I think you can like translate it with some app or something. If not, I will try to translate it, but it already takes me this one, to be honest. The Excel I can translate it because it's not so difficult, but this one is maybe it's too crazy for me to like make it again translated, because it took me 1 hour to fill everything by hand already, so I have to try to make it more automatic or something with the scripts or whatever, because if not, it's gonna be crazy for me. And well, the other thing that is I don't know how to say different is like, yeah, you have the stats there, you have the hidden skills, the passive, and then in the first column, I put the momentum of the technique to know which one are we using. Then I did the base stats, like the normal stats, with passive or without passive, because Hugo here doesn't have any passive that gives him more stats. And the bond and the thing apply. Then I put it here with the 7% of Bacchus, because in the clubs it's gonna go with 7%, and also in Japanese team it's gonna go with 7%, because I think Genzo gives him, or Matsuyama, one of both is giving him 7%. And then I applied also the 10% of Rising Sun that he can get in the clubs team, because Gentile and Davis give him. So you can see the numbers, and compared to that, well, he's better with the 17%, let's say. He will be better than Diaz. He will be the best striker in the current meta. Only with 7%, not so much. You can see, I think it's enough to get the goal against Bacchus, because it's the only player he will not get the 10% against, but in the other teams he's gonna be pretty strong. And this is like, I just did Hyuga because I was trying it today. It's my first analysis. Also, I was checking the Excel is doing everything well. I think it's correct. It's working. If you find any kind of failures or whatever, just let me know. I will try to help. But this is everything, my friends. Once again, I hope it's helpful. If you want, you can contact me by the Discord and ask for the Excel, and I will try to update it in English and send it to you, because, to be honest, I'm very happy to have non-Spanish speakers that they do the effort to watch my videos every day. And yeah, and this analysis I can explain to you. So you can just ask me, I will explain to you how it is. This is my opinion as always, so you can also tell your differences and stuff. And yeah. And once again, thank you very much for watching my videos, even though it's not your mother language and it's more difficult and stuff. I appreciate the effort. It makes me very proud of my work, and to appreciate really more the work I'm doing and giving me a strength to continue. And yeah, I don't know if I will do more videos in English, to be honest. This is my first one. I wanted just to explain you this stuff. But yeah, I am very happy, guys, and yeah, I hope you like my channel, that you enjoy watching these videos, and yeah, as long as this game continues, I will continue uploading videos. But yeah, don't hesitate to contact me, to ask me whatever. I will reply. I'm okay in English, so no worries. Thank you very much, and have a nice day, and have a nice weekend. Ciao, guys. See you, my friends.